The Bose Home Speaker 450 delivers room-filling stereo sound while built-in voice assistants give you instant access to millions of songs. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your home speaker. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included. Your Bose Home Speaker 450. A quick start guide and important safety information, and lastly, a power cord. Now let's set up your speaker. Begin by connecting the power cord into the bottom of the speaker. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. Your speaker will then automatically power on. To complete setup, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Sign in with or create a new Bose ID. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button. A scan will begin searching for your home speaker 450. Once you see your speaker, tap Add Product. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your speaker to Wi-Fi. Name your speaker. Set up sharing settings, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Your Bose Home Speaker 450 is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.